Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're here to talk about a stock in particular, but I also want to update you guys on the portfolio. Um, Today, market's still open. It's around 11:18. Market's going to close in 2 hours my time, Western. And yeah, we're sitting at around $14,850. We actually reached a portfolio all-time high today, 14,941, and we've come down a good amount since then. But yeah, and in this video today, I'm actually here to talk about one stock in particular. This stock is going to be AMD. I'm sure if you guys have been on the investing forums online or watching YouTube videos or anything like that, you guys have been very informed on AMD and what they're doing and that you should buy right now. Um, and I'm here to just reiterate that and explain a little bit deeper why that's the truth and why that's a good idea. So yeah, I mean, if we want to just look at the past year performance, past 3 month performance of this stock, it's horrible. I'm not gonna lie. All time, this is a great company, amazing company. But yeah, the past 5 years they've been good. I mean, they've done their thing, but the past year they've been beaten down. And I mean, they were at a high of 211, and now they're almost exactly half of that. So yeah, and I mean, past 3 months too, even down 21%. So basically, this is a great opportunity to buy a high value company. This is a great stock. This is a great business. They have a moat. They have a great CEO, Lisa. And yeah, I mean, this is just a great time to get into a really good company that is projected to bounce back and do great things. Their earnings are growing quarter over quarter. They're projected to have growth. And I kind of wanted to go deeper into the company on their investor slides. I always like looking at these if I'm thinking about putting a large amount of money into a company, just to see kind of what they're doing and what they're showing to their investors. I mean, I'm not a big ticket investor per se, but I do care about my money and where I put it, so I want to be sure that I'm putting it into a asset that's going to return more than the S&P 500 or beat the market per se. Um, so yeah, I mean, what I liked from this is their large growth opportunities that they listed is their data center. This is their business that is really gonna explode over the next couple of years. I think this is something that they put a lot of money into. Hasn't been doing amazing, but this is the thing that we're putting all of our chips in, kind of, or putting all of our eggs in this basket. Um, and yeah, I mean, they have the cloud and AI workloads and stuff like that. They have their client side of business. This is for kind of their AI and gaming stuff. They're creating things, and then they have their gaming side of business. I think you guys have heard of AMD chips or CPUs or graphics cards or of such. There's computers that are AMD. And then also they have their embedded part of the business, which is their CPUs and things like that. And yeah, I mean, these are their products actually. These are their AI solutions, and these are things that they're shipping now. They're new. They just made them. I mean, this is a Q3 2024 investor presentation, so it's like very up to date, but it's just a good outlook on what they have going on. And yeah, they're expanding their data centers, which I love to see. They're making them bigger, these big AI spaces, and as we can see, year over year, they've grown by $1 billion, 18%. And that's the thing you want to see in a company. Growing by 18% is very good. That's a lot more than the S&P 500, and their return on invested capital is great. And their margins have increased year over year. Also, this is a growing company. I mean, past year, they're down 30%, but their margins are growing. Their operating income is increasing at a steady pace. I mean, there's not much going down for this company, so for the stock price to get beaten down, this opens up a great buying opportunity. As you can see, everything's up year over year, quarter over quarter. We're up 169% on the income, 223% operating income. Earnings per share up 161%. I mean, yeah, this is great numbers. I don't see why this stock is down so much. And everything is just up, up, up. Their balance sheet. Their balance sheet did lose a little bit of cash, but I mean, this isn't. I mean, their debt is around the same. It's not. This isn't something that would make the stock price fall by that much. But this is the main selling point of this company. I mean, you can see their gaming sector, their company is down a lot, but this is where the company is shifting. I think they were a big gaming company, that was their thing. But yeah, their devices that they're making, the gaming, the embedded devices, that's down year over year by a lot. This is down 94%. Excuse me. It was down 94%. So I mean, that's honestly a part of their business that they could just forget. I mean, they have to have it, but that's a part of their business that we're not even worried about. We're purely looking at the data center. And you can see that year over year, this grew 122%, 240%. And with them scaling this and putting more money into the data center, and also their client services are going up, which is great to see. But the data center is really where we're interested, because look at the amount of money that's coming out of that. That's their main source of revenue for this business. And I mean, yeah, look at how much the data center more than doubled, almost tripled year over year. And then yeah, their operating margin has also gone up, which is beautiful to see. Their client has gone up, but their gaming is down horrendously. I mean, this is just a part. This is maybe why the company is down, but that's a part of the company that we can forget about. Their financial outlook, they're expected to Q4 2024. They're expected to increase revenues by a sizable amount, and as we can see, they're reporting these earnings on February 4th, so it's coming up. This is going to be a big one. We're going to see the outlook of this company. Where's it going? And yeah, I mean, this is the positives that they're showing of their Q3 summary. Their revenues up 18%, data centers up 122%, gross margin up 54%, and their earnings per share is up a lot. So yeah, I mean, also this is another thing I like to see. They emphasize expanding the data center and their AI. They also do have a strong balance sheet. This company is very well suited. They can withstand a market crash. They're a very well established company in this space, and they're a bigger dog. Definitely, they have that moat around them. They're an easier company to bet on than, I don't know, one with a $10 million market cap that could be wiped out with a market crash. So yeah, I mean, this is honestly just a really good company. I mean, this is a little bit more nitty gritty. But yeah, AMD, together we advance, hopefully. Yeah, guys, I mean, I just wanted to go over AMD and what I think for their company. um, as you can see, there's some insiders, hedge funds, Robinhood, people buying it, selling it. But yeah, I think right now is a great time to buy into this stock. There's a lot of upside. I mean, just this past week, it's up 6%. I bought in a little early. Total return almost around 3%. But yeah, I mean, I'm averaging, if this stock goes down more and more, I think anything under 120 is buy as much as you can. This is a great opportunity in a really high market. This is a stock that's been beaten down. There's always opportunities in these markets. You just have to look for them. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about this stock. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content and want to see more videos like this. I'll be sure to keep pushing them out. So thank you guys, and peace.